wonderful.
This is our welcome ceremony for returning guests.
Oh,
It's
okay.
meaning from welcoming and
Yes.
a lot of dishes.
Oh, because
Yes.
before you guys did it at the reception area, you know, like one time. So now you're doing it in the room. Yeah,
We came
okay.
into the room.
Yeah,
Would you like to do this?
sure, of course. So just tell me what to do.
Yes. Can you paste? Yeah.
Okay. That's the welcome drink. Yeah, great.
So the welcome drink, we have the ingredient like butterfly pea flower,
Yes.
cucumber, lemongrass.
So
and
the
a lot of
healthy.
herbs. Yeah, it's healthy and less sweet.
Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I have to tell you, I make a very stupid mistake because normally I think the key opening thing is here, so I keep on touching that and the door doesn't open, but in fact the knob is here. Okay, so that's the digital key, that's the digital key for the hotel that I'm staying. So anyway, so I am still in Phuket. I'm at the Kata Rocks in Phuket. This is a very small boutique property, but with a lot of celebrities, singers, actor, actress. They love to stay here. So I've been staying here before, and this is kind of my third time, so you can check out my previous video. But as soon as I can grab a very good deal, I'm very happy to be back because this hotel can be very expensive during high season. But now is late August, and if you can see a good rate, just grab it and come and experience it. It's wonderful. Okay, so let me give you a quick room tour. A bay mirror, okay. And then the bedroom on my right, I'm going to share with you later. And then a powder room here, okay. And this is why it's so amazing. There's the reason why so many people, so many celebrities love to stay at the Kata Rocks. Okay, so again, this is the living room area, okay. And again, they are having a lot of the digital widgets. Okay, so they have QR code for everything from Wi-Fi, from the resort menu, the spa menu, as well as in-room dining and everything. Okay, and then this is the phone. Okay, that they say you can take it out. I'm just trying to figure out how to turn it on. Okay, but anyway, they say this is a phone that you can take it out even outside the hotel, and then you can call the hotel and use it as like a regular phone. Okay, and then of course they have all the menus on the iPad and stuff, and then the welcome to me, and then all the nice details, even on the audio videos, you know, the letters, silver, magazines. And on this side, it's like my kitchen, you know, with the center island. And then for the repeated guests, this is the welcome, you know, two lovely elephants with the rose petals, and then cookies in the cup, as well as 2 bottles of water and some fruit. Okay, So this is a full kitchenette, all hidden, but is everything. So the lady who checked me in gave me the butterfly PRT, which you saw in the other video. And this is the minibar. Okay. So everything is included in the minibar. And then this is for like a long stay gas if you want the microwave, if you want the washer, and then the food cutlery set, very nice cutlery set, everything you need, even for the kitchen to do a little bit of cooking, all the saucepan, the pan, yeah, and more cutlery. Okay, and then this is the wine cellar. Okay, although it's not stocked up, but I'm pretty sure they can stock it up as you like. Okay, and then the coffee mug, the knife set, as well as the Nespresso coffee machine for sure. Some nice capsules and some teas and things like that. So this is actually the oven. That's what I'm looking at. So this is the oven. So if you want to cook, it's like a full kitchen here. Okay, so moving right along, of course, on one side is the living room area and the kitchenette, and then this is the dining table. And again, in the video, you will see this is the welcome ceremony that they did for me when I got into the room, wash the hand and get the blessings. Okay, so now, of course, the highlight is outside, right? Everyone comes here for this infinity pool view and infinity pool experience. And it's really, really wonderful. Okay, so this is what my view in air-conditioned room, and of course you can get out and experience it as you like. Okay, so let's walk out a little bit to show you. Okay, so the sun lounger, the outdoor sofa area, and then this is not too deep, only 1.1 meter that you can soak in this color and watching the ocean, watching the sunset or sunrise depending on the location of your room. Okay, so this is looking back to my suite. Okay. So I hope to get you another view because it's very hot outside and very bright, but I'm sure there's tons of good pictures that you can take from here. And last but not least, I'm going to show you the bedroom. The bedroom is quite standard, but I will still show you. So very thick mattress, good linens, that's what it is. A standard king size room. Okay, just to give you the view and the setup. And then of course they have everything, but from nice bathrobes to slippers. Yeah, that's my shoes. Iron board, I assume. Yeah, the iron board is here. Okay, and then the beach bag that I can use while I'm at the property, the safe deposit box, the laundry and dry cleaning bag and such. And then another TV inside the room. And then the bathroom is still very nice with the bathtub. Okay, with a very good size, interesting bathtub where you can take a really nice bubbly bath here, or if you don't want to, it's of course the rain shower, the huge area here, and then water as well as amenity kit for her and for him. Cool. Okay, so basically, this is the room, but I guess many people will spend the day either at their very famous swimming pool restaurant or the restaurant by the swimming pool or the spa and things like that. So I'm going to go and check it out, and then of course I'll have dinner tonight here as well as breakfast tomorrow morning. So, and I am hoping that I can get a spa treatment as well because I do have some time today. So I will share my entire stay with you, which will be an awesome stay, staying like a celebrity at the Kata Rocks in Phuket. Okay, so this is the special room that is more like a color therapy that they do analysis for you and then decide on what kind of treatment is good for you and then use that color to match with your treatment. So very interesting.
Villa Phuket
Thank
ค่ะ
you.
For you.
Okay.
Okay, the first one we got the salt, butter, chili salt.
Okay.
Okay, and we had the beetroot dip. Can we chip, we chip.
Oh,
The
okay.
back bin that
Thank
decoration.
you.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Prawn curry.
Yes, wow. Great, thank you.